Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we got Dutch again in the house. Dutch in the house. What do you got to say? Nothing? Okay, well, let's play some Animal Company because in today's video we're playing Company. And what is this? Whoa, guys, what was that? I don't know, but subscribe. Anyway, yeah, soon we're gonna hit 90 subscribers and I'm gonna be the happiest person on earth. So, anyway, I'm gonna be the happiest person on earth. So make sure.
I'm so close.
Make sure to like and subscribe. And so what we're gonna do today is we're gonna try and complete the course. The one and only, the only beautiful course. And guys, I have a cheat. So stick with me because this cheat is gonna be actually cool. So it's not any of the normal stuff that you can't use. I'm only doing this just to tell Animal Company to fix it. Because now I have an umbrella, which is technically literally a cheat method. Alright guys, so, but right now I'm not gonna use it because I'm a good boy. Tell me to get out in the comments, please. I should be seeing everyone commenting on this video, punching your little fingers in the video just to say get out. Bro, why do I hear the Nexobot? Guys, I know the Nexobot is technically the guy that laughs, but honestly, I feel like it should be the Exobot and the Nexobot is the robot lady. Because it's a bot. And the Rick Roll guy should be called the Rick Roll Monster. So this is really parkoury. Like, I really like the idea of it. On how much parkour there is. I really think it's super cool. So, the hardest part, I really think, is the other part. See, like, that's what you need the umbrella for. So right here is a perfect place to use the umbrella. So you can like do that. Either Animal Company wanted the umbrella to still be on limits, or they didn't. But honestly, if you guys want 3 free research points, I might as well use the umbrella to get it. So we're gonna get, I'm not gonna say far, but I hope we get far. And guys, I have another couple cheat methods. Alright, so don't get mad at me. But Animal Company, I mean, see, hey look. Look at how beautiful and perfect No. Okay, great. Beautiful. Ozzy. Go! No, go back quickly. Good job. Alright, so you made it to the second level. Guys, I need to teach you guys something. Make sure to always lock your door and say hi to your buddies. Alright? I don't know what happened, but I don't know why it keeps on disconnecting. Alright, so this isn't entirely impossible, because look, wrong way? Seriously? I've never gone the wrong way on this one. So apparently, there's a shortcut if you just jump there. Yeah, so honestly, I kind of like that shortcut. But this is the hardest part. Because little Tabby popping up. That was so cool. No way, bros. Alright, let's do this. Ah! No! Because I know who Glenda is. What the? Guys, this is the farthest I've ever gotten. So guys, please don't make fun of me. Lil Tabby popping off. Wait, is giving planetarium vibes. Yeah, I know. In 6 minutes, already in, and we're already eating. What the heck? Ha ha. Alright, so guys. What? No! 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 This is giving the music from Planetarium, though. There goes my bag for Easter. None of the VR Bros are online, which is totally okay. But understand what the heck is happening at my house in this game. This was so far the easiest. Oh no, never mind. Nine minutes. What the heck? This is something straight out of The Matrix. Ha! What the heck, Freckle? Guys. a shining star? Really? No? Oh. Wait a second. Okay, so guys, this wasn't a lie. Oh my goodness! Oh no! No way! No way! Oh my goodness. Tail, gat, turtle, gat, left arm, turtle arm, bat arm, torso, spiky shell, outfit, hat, snapper hat. Wait, so I have the golden halo, sunflower wreath. Okay, so for right now, I'm gonna wear the snapper hat, but that's also super cool. Do my head. First accessory. This is yep. Guys, so this wasn't a lie. Which obviously didn't surprise me. I mean, I guess it would surprise Ryan or something, but it wasn't a lie. So make sure to like and subscribe, and let's see how our channel's doing. Go to YouTube. Make sure to search up actually CAMDEN SCHUBERT 881. We're at 89 subscribers. That's cool. 23 views. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're playing Gorilla Tag with Gabe, Finn, and Evelyn, and Ryan. I'm just kidding. Anyway, my name is Ariana Grenade, and if you want me to explode, yeah. Yeah. So let's see about all the other videos.
Hey, what's up, brothers and sisters?
Don't know what that laugh was about.
So, hey guys, welcome back to another video. So, today I'm just going to be talking about some stuff, alright?
Yeah, so I just wanted people to subscribe. So, I did post. Yep, thank you for 22K views. But, yeah, subscribe!